Hi, I'm Johnny with How to Clean by Salamone Supplies, and today we're going to be going over the Divided Bucket Mop System and Microfiber Mop. Alright, let's take a closer look at the Divided Bucket. So on one side we have our water, other side we have our solution, and then we have our Microfiber Mop. Alright, let's see how it works. Alright, as you can see, the microfiber is doing its job, picking up all the dirt and debris. Now I'm going to show you a really cool technique, and one of the reasons why this divided bucket system is far superior to a regular mop bucket system. And that is, microfiber is actually built to release when you flush it in water. So, if I flush it in the water side here, that's going to let all that dirt and debris release into the water. And now, I can go back into my solution with a clean mop. And that gives me the ability to not only clean better, but much longer in between changing out the solution and the water. All right. Flush it again here in the water. There we go. Another clean mop. Now, as I said earlier, the microfiber mop is a superior product, but obviously you can use other mops as well, still get similar results. And just wanted to show you that there are different variations of the divided mop bucket system. This is just a singular unit here with a divided wall. Alright, I'm Johnny with How to Clean by Salamone Supplies. If you have any questions about any of our videos or any of our products, feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or visit us on our website at salamonesupplies.com. Thanks so much for watching.